This tripod is so smooth, it might just shoot the video for you. Manfrotto Befree Live Review. Ever felt like your gear is low-key sabotaging your creative genius? You line up the perfect shot, the lighting chef's kiss, and boom, your tripod wobbles like a nervous first date. Whether you're filming a cinematic vlog, chasing golden hour, or trying to make that sweet pan look seamless, your tripod should help, not hijack your workflow. And don't even get us started on bulky setups that eat your backpack space and your will to live. If you've ever screamed internally while adjusting legs for the 10th time, yeah, it's not just you. You're not the problem. Your gear is. Now imagine this. The sun's dipping fast, your camera's prepped, and your hands are freezing, but your current tripod? It's stuck, squeaky, and slouching like it's had a rough day. Your dream shot? Gone. You start questioning your life choices, camera skills, and possibly your sanity. What's worse is the creeping regret, missed content, blown deadlines, and burnout knocking at the door. You're not just losing footage, you're losing momentum. That nagging "maybe I'm not good enough" feeling? It's brutal. The truth? You're not burned out, you're just bogged down by gear that can't keep up. That ends today. Say hello to your creative game changer, the Manfrotto Befree Live Advanced 4-section tripod. This sleek black and orange beast folds down to a tiny 15.75 inches, but packs pro-level performance in every click and twist. Engineered with Manfrotto's legendary 3-way fluid head, it glides like melted butter across your pan and tilt dreams. With a weight capacity of 13.2 pounds, this tripod handles DSLRs, mirrorless setups, and more without breaking a sweat or your back. It's not just portable, it's practically psychic. Built tough, smooth AF, and ready for any terrain, this isn't a tripod, it's a freedom machine for photographers and filmmakers. From flawless tracking shots to crisp, locked-in stills, this tripod is the answer to your creative cravings. Say goodbye to leg-fumbling chaos and hello to ergonomic perfection. With Archetype and RC2 compatibility, an integrated 200 PL Pro plate, and buttery fluid drag system, you get pro-level fluidity without the pro-level frustration. Use the Easy Link feature to add reflectors or lights, and you're basically a one-person film crew. Whether you're scaling mountains or shooting street magic, the Befree Live Advanced keeps your camera as ready as your ambition. Wanna level up without losing your mind? Click and discover why pros trust this beast. Don't sleep on this, gear like this doesn't stay on the shelf for long. Creators from around the globe are already snapping up the Manfrotto Befree Live Advanced, and with good reason. This isn't just hype, it's your future shot saver. Durable, intuitive, and crafted for people who actually shoot stuff, this tripod makes frustration a thing of the past. Join thousands who ditched wobbly chaos and now film like bosses. Ready to stop missing moments? Then don't wait. Click that link, add it to your cart, and let the Befree revolution begin. Your camera deserves this. Honestly, so do you.